creating comfortable communities for active senior living. Introducing the Quacent QMW85, a wide-module prefabricated building system designed for modern residential and commercial developments. Combining a heavy steel subframe with high-performance SIP panels. The QMW85 delivers strength, energy efficiency, and over 90% factory prefabrication for faster, more consistent construction. Built to international standards, every module is manufactured with precision to ensure reliable quality and long-term performance. Interior and exterior systems are completed in the factory, helping simplify on-site installation while improving overall project efficiency. Optimized for efficient modular transportation and global delivery, the QMW85 provides developers and distributors with a practical solution for projects around the world. From engineering and manufacturing to project delivery, Quacent delivers dependable modular building solutions for modern developments.